Dreaming of a tropical getaway? Look no further than Hawaii, the ultimate paradise for U.S. travelers. With its breathtaking beaches, lush landscapes, and vibrant culture, Hawaii offers something for everyone. Whether you're planning a romantic escape, a family vacation, or an adventure-filled trip, finding the best Hawaii vacation packages can make your dream trip a reality. In this guide, we'll explore the top packages, tips for saving money, and everything you need to know to plan the perfect Hawaiian vacation. Why choose Hawaii? Hawaii is a top destination for U.S. travelers for many reasons. First, it's a domestic destination, so you don't need a passport to visit. Second, it's easily accessible with direct flights from major U.S. cities. And finally, Hawaii offers a unique blend of relaxation and adventure, making it perfect for all types of travelers. Types of Hawaii vacation packages, all-inclusive packages. These packages are ideal for travelers who want a stress-free vacation. They typically include flights, accommodations, meals, and activities. Popular options include resorts like Hilton Hawaiian Village and Aulani, a Disney resort and spa adventure packages. If you're an adrenaline junkie, consider an adventure package. These often include hiking, snorkeling, zip-lining, and volcano tours. Companies like Hawaii Adventure Center offer great options for thrill seekers. Romantic getaways. Hawaii is a top destination for couples. Romantic packages often include luxury stays, private dinners on the beach, and sunset cruises. Maui and Kauai are particularly popular for honeymooners. Family-friendly packages. Traveling with kids. Look for family-friendly packages that include activities like luau's, beach days, and cultural tours. Resorts with water parks or childcare services are a bonus. Budget-friendly options. Hawaii can be expensive, but there are ways to save. Look for off-season deals, flight discounts, and budget accommodations. Booking in advance can also help you snag the best deals. Top islands to visit. Oahu, best for first-timers, with iconic spots like Waikiki Beach and Pearl Harbor. Maui, perfect for romance and luxury, with the famous Road to Hana and Haleakala National Park. Big Island, a haven for adventure lovers, featuring volcanoes and black sand beaches. Kauai, a nature lover's paradise, home to the stunning Napali Coast and Waimea Canyon. Lanai and Molokai, for those seeking off-the-beaten-path experiences. How to choose the right package. When selecting a Hawaii vacation package, consider your budget, travel style, and interests. Read reviews and check ratings of travel agencies or resorts. Look for packages that include flights, accommodations, and activities to get the most value for your money. Booking in advance can also help you secure the best deals. Tips for saving money. Travel during the shoulder season, spring or fall, for lower prices and fewer crowds. Use travel rewards points or credit card perks to save on flights and accommodations. Book flights and hotels separately if it's cheaper. Take advantage of free activities like beaches, hiking trails, and cultural events. Hawaii is a dream destination for many, and with the right vacation package, you can make that dream come true. Whether you're looking for luxury, adventure, or a budget-friendly option, there's a package out there for you. Start planning your trip today and get ready to experience the magic of Hawaii. Aloha!